So I wrote our equations on the board. And remember, your goal is to tell, are you horizontal, vertical, diagonal, which one is it? And one more reminder, only X, vertical, only Y, horizontal, both diagonal. So let's look at what we have. We have Y is equal to -3. Since all it has is the letter Y, it's going to be a horizontal line. And you can just write H. Right here we have Y is equal to -1x plus 5. Because it has both X and Y in it, it's going to be D for diagonal. Now you notice these two are really easy because it says Y equals something. Look right here. I know that it's got a number with a coefficient, a coefficient with a variable, and that's equal to a value. So you could technically solve this, right? It's an equation, so if I solve this, dividing by 2, that gives me X is equal to 5. So now what does that give me? That gives me one letter, okay? And one letter, what is it going to be? Horizontal or vertical? That's right. So it only has an X. Since it only has an X, he's a vertical line. The last one. Now this last one says 1x plus 2y is equal to 4. That's in what we call standard form, which, we'll get into those details later. But you'll notice the only part that really matters is the fact that I want you to tell, do I have one letter or two letters? It's got an X and a Y. That's two letters. So if it has two letters, automatic, diagonal, that's all I got to worry about in this part. Okay, now look over here. I have X is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. I only have an X. He's vertical. That's right. Over here I have Y is equal to 3x plus 9. I have an X and a Y. I've got both letters. So if I've got both letters, what am I? Diagonal. Yes. Now look at this one. I have 2y minus 3 equals 7. I want to get the variable by itself, right? So I would move 3. And that gives me 2y equals 10. And then I would divide by 2. But I'm still, what am I getting? I'm only getting one letter. Never am I going to get two letters. And the one letter that I get is a Y. So when it says Y equals, what kind of line is that? It is horizontal, that's right. Okay, then when I look at my last one, 4x minus y equals -8. I have two letters. Two letters means what? Diagonal, absolutely. Okay, y'all did a good job with this. Come back and we're going to learn some more about how to graph these awesome lines.